Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU 16th and let me show you how to change the ringtone on the following device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here let's choose sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down to the ringtone section and as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from. We can change the phone ringtone, message, email, calendar alerts or other notifications. So let me choose for example phone ringtone. Here we can choose a local music if you have something downloaded on your device, and the system sounds, which you can choose. Okay, so let me choose something like that, and for the messages, it can be this one. Okay, so that's all. This is how you change the ringtone on your MEIZU 16th, and if this video was helpful for you, please click the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.